It's time to call Sherlock for your furnace system check. For just $69, you'll get a full furnace safety inspection to ensure you can be prepared for the season ahead. We'll also check for carbon monoxide leaks, providing you with safety, comfort, and peace of mind. And if you become a member of our VIP Comfort Club, your system check is included. Plus, you'll get 10% off repairs, priority service, and much more. Call Sherlock Plumbing, Heating, and Air, where comfort is elementary.